All right, students. In this video, we'll continue our work on translating and solving word problems. Let's stay sharp on our list of words that go with different symbols. Keep an eye on the words product, which means multiply. Difference is subtract. Sum is add. And the most important word, the word we start word problems off with, equals. For each word problem, it's our job to translate the words into an equation, then solve the equation. Number 1 says 6 times a number added to 9 is 33. But let's make sure we're reading like a math person. We skim through the words, looking for the word that means equal to. Skim through until you find the word that we can use as the equal sign. There it is. We know that is oftentimes means equals. What comes after the equal sign is the number 33. Now what comes before the equal sign? All of this. 6 times a number added to 9. Added. I need 6 times a number added to 9. Let's see if we've got it all. 6 times a number added to 9 is 33. 6 times a number added to 9 is 33. That looks good. Now we solve. The inverse of addition is subtraction. And 24 divided by 6, that's 4. Beautiful. We'll work number 2 the same way. Read the problem, find the equal sign, write the equation, solve. Twice the sum of a number and 5 is 14. Find the equal sign. Well, the most common word for equal signs in word problems is the word is. There's my equal sign. What comes after the equal sign? Just the number 14. Now, before the equal sign, we have a phrase that pops up often. Twice the sum. As soon as I see that phrase, I know I need parentheses. Sum implies to add. I want twice the sum, which means multiply this addition problem by 2. Here's twice the sum. Now the sum of what and what? The sum of a number and 5. Let's see if we've got it all. Twice the sum of a number and 5 is 14. Here's twice the sum of a number and 5 is 14. Good. Now solve. We'll distribute the 2. 2 times n, 2 times 5. The inverse of addition is subtraction. And 4 divided by 2 is 2. Great. When you work your homework, no need to write this sentence out. You read that sentence in the book, you translate it into an equation, then solve. Number 3 is challenging. Lots of words. 4 times a number is the same as 3 times a number subtracted from 35. Where's that equal sign? Skim until you find it. There it is. Is equals. What comes before the equal sign? 4 times a number. That's easy. 4 times a number just looks like that. Now, after the equal sign, that's challenging. Is the same as. Really, all of this is the equal sign. Is the same as is the equal sign. After the equal sign, I need 3 times a number subtracted from 35. Subtracted, let's be careful. Is that going to be like this or like this? One way is right, the other way is wrong. Which way is best? The word from is key. I want to subtract from 35. If I'm going to subtract something from 35, the 35 has to go first. I need 3 times a number subtracted from 35. Here's 35, and here's 3 times a number subtracted from it. Let's see if we've got it all now. 4 times a number is the same as 3 times a number subtracted from 35. 4 times a number is the same as 3 times a number subtracted from 35. Good. Now when I'm finished, I want my variable to be on the left-hand side. Right now I've got variables on both sides. Let's get rid of this minus 3n by adding 3n to both sides. And 35 divided by 7, that's 5. Got it. Again, this one's pretty challenging. Let's find that equal sign. Twice the difference of a number in 6 is equal to the product of the number in 8. Skim until you get to the equal sign. Oh, there it is equal to. Can't be much more clear than that. Now, before the equal sign, here's a variation of our key phrase. We're used to seeing twice the sum. This time it's twice the difference. It's still a set of parentheses. A difference implies to subtract. Instead of twice the sum, we have twice the difference. The difference of what and what? The difference of a number and 6. After the equal sign, we need the product of the number and 8. Multiply the number and 8. Best way to show that is like that. Now let's distribute the 2. 2 times n, 2 times negative 6. I need to get all of my n's on the same side of the equal sign. Let's get rid of a positive 2n with a negative 2n. Now when I divide, negative 12 divided by 6 is negative 2. That one was challenging. There's one like that in your homework. You can do it. Go work some homework problems now. Take them slow. Be careful. I'll see you later on today.